G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're looking at the Presidio grip from Speck, and this is for the Galaxy Note 9. So hit that like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Now don't forget, there's going to be a link in the description below if you do want to buy one of these. Now this case is designed by Speck and it is a dual layer. It is drop protected for 10 feet or 3 meters. And it has a soft inner shell and a hard outer shell with some lip protection and some added grip. It also says here it comes with a lifetime warranty, which is good to see, but I think most cases should. I mean, how's a case going to break unless you literally burn it? So, you know, lifetime warranty looks good on the packet. So it says here it's got a tough shell and a soft impactium, I think they've called it, with a trademark, impactium, which probably just means TPU, and then some harder plastic on the outside. Trusty unboxing knife. Nice little bit of packaging. And there it is. Now it is a one-piece unit. So it's not like there's two parts to it. It doesn't come apart or anything, which I have seen with some other designs. Currently rocking the Speedgen. Let's get that out. Now, this Speedgen was one of my favorite cases for the Galaxy Note 9 purely because I was rocking the same color on this as my Note 9. So I had the ocean blue Note 9 with the yellow S Pen, and then I had the blue case with the yellow trim. So that looked pretty good. That's gone now. Now let's just have a look at this case. It's got the grip on the outside there. Which looks good, looks the part. You've got all your ports here. So you've got your S Pen, your speaker, your microphone, your charging port, and your headphone jack. So let's check this out. Make sure they all line up. On the top, you've got a port for another microphone. On the right-hand side, you've got your power button. And then on the left-hand side, you've got your volume up and down and your Bixby button. And obviously on the back, you got your camera cutout. Now, we're looking at Minimalist here. I really do like the way that this looks and feels, and it's not really bright and like scream, look at me, which is quite good sometimes. You know, you just want that protection and you want grip. And I can assure you that that Speck grip pattern on the outside feels grippy. It feels really grippy. And if I have a look here, this is the Samsung protective case. It feels slippery, grippy. There's a big difference, definitely a big difference. This, however, does feel very grippy. Now, the only thing with when they're really this grippy is sometimes you can go to pull them out of your pocket and they might catch on the material on your pockets and then you lose your grip on them. Very tactile buttons. I must say that's really, have a listen. You can hear how tactile that is. That's really nice. Volume up and down. Works really well. And the Bixby button. I hate that Bixby. I really do. We should start like a GoFundMe page to shut down Bixby. Anyway, back to the case. Headphone jack fits in really nicely. It's not being hampered by the case itself. S Pen. A little bit fiddly to get the S Pen out. I really got to push the corner of my nail in there to get it. So something to consider. Not a deal breaker, but something you do need to consider. It's a bit of a bummer that, because I really like the rest of it. Now, lip protection. That screen is not going to get scratched at any time on a flat surface, which is really cool. It's fairly grippy as well. That's another thing. I don't see this sliding off anywhere. There's textured rough edges really do offer it that grip, and not just grip but non-slip on any surface, whereas some others will slip around. This one's a lot harder to slide around. Something to consider as well. This isn't your $5 or $10 cheap case online. In Australia, this retails for $49. You can probably pick it up cheaper online, definitely. I've got a few cases there now, so give me a thumbs up if you think I should do the top 3 cases for the Galaxy Note 9 or something similar like that, because I've definitely got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 cases lying around. We need to check these out and see which one we think is the best. Also, hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you think about this footage. This is filmed on the new Canon M50. I think it looks pretty good. That face tracking works really well. Compared to my other camera had 9 autofocus points. The Canon M50 has 143. So pretty cool. Anyway, that's another video for another day. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.